Uh, Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Rathina Kumar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, SNS College of Engineering. In this presentation, we are going to see the data types and storage classes. Let us start with a simple example program. I already told you this is a simple addition program. So we can get two values from the user and perform the addition operation and store the result in some variable and print that value. So this is a simple example C program. Next we are going to see what is mean by data types. So so we need to understand these 3 points. Then we'll see what are the different data types are available and we'll see everything later. So the very first point is a data type specifies the type of data that a variable can store, such as integer, floating, character, etc. A data types in C refers to an extensive system used for declaring variables or functions of different types. The type of variable determines how much space it occupies in storage. The next slide we are going to see what are the different data types. In general, they are classified into 4 types: basic, derived, enumeration, void. So let us see one by one. Yeah, what is meant by basic data types? Uh, I think everyone knows about that. The integer, character, float, double. So these are all the example for basic data types. So array, pointer, structure, union, these are all example for a derived data types. Then EUNUM, this is an example for enumeration data type, and void is an example for a void data type. So what is mean by, let us start with an basic data types. The memory size of basic data types may change according to 32 or 64-bit operating system. Uh, yeah, in this slide, we are displaying the data size and its corresponding ranges. For an example, let us see, first we see the integer. So the memory size is 2 byte. The range is also given in the next column. So the integer, there may be two types: the signed integer, the unsigned integer. The size of signed, both signed and unsigned integer are same, but see the ranges, that the third one column, it differs. For an example, unsigned integer means the ranges is 0 to some value is given, for an example 65,535. For a signed integer, the range is completely different. It starts from negative value to some positive values. That is 32,768 to positive 32,767. Similarly, the character data types and its ranges, everything has given it as. Next, we are going to see the, yeah, it's a continuation for the previous slide. Float, the size of float data type is 4 byte. The double is 8 byte. The long, the double is 10 bytes. This is enough. Next, we are going to see what is meant by format specifier. This is a very important one. Uh, if you want to display some value to the user with using a printf statement, you must understand what is meant by format specifier. For an example, see the second row, %d. The type is signed integer. Suppose if you want to display any positive value to the user, you have to must mention the %d in the printf statements. Suppose if you want to display a float values, you need to mention %f. Similarly, if you want to display a character to the user, you have to mention at the %c. So if once you learn the basic C program, we can easily understand these things. Next, we are going to see the storage class. Variable in C can have not only a data type but also storage class that provides information about their location and visibility. The second important point is storage classes are used to describe the features of variable functions. Yeah, these are all some of the storage specifiers available in C languages. Just to see that. Auto, external, static, registers. Yeah, what is meant by an auto? It is a default storage class. What is meant by external? It is a global variable. Static, it is a local variable. Register, it is a variable which is used to store inside something. Next, what is meant by auto storage classes? This is a default storage class for all the variables declared inside a function or block. Hence, the auto is rarely used while writing a C program. Next, we are going to see what is meant by external storage classes. Extern mean external storage class. The keyword extern is used to declaring a global variable or function in another file to provide the reference of variable or function which have been already defined in the original file. So, it is once you learn the definition, once you start to learn the definition, you feel somehow difficult. But while see with an example, you can easily understand all these concepts. So don't bother about that. The next one is the register storage class. The keyword is used is register. It is used to declare a register storage class. Yeah, these are example program for that. The I think that is the last one, the static storage class. Static variable have property of preserving their value even after they are out of their scope. The second important point is we can say that they are initialized only once and exist till the termination of the program. This is one example program for the static variable. I will explain it everything in detail. So as right now, you just need to understand what is what. Thank you.